everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this mandala. I use 3.5 millimeters hook, 3.5 millimeters ribbon yarn. I use 3.5 millimeters ribbon yarn. Row 20. Go to row 20. In here make a chain, go to first stitch in this hole, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, one single crochet, we have one single crochet in top of this stitch, go to these two chains. In here we have two chains, make one single crochet, two single crochet. In total we have 1 2 3 4 in here. Skip this stitch, go to here between these stitches, make one single crochet, repeat two single crochet. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 single crochet. Skip this stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, yarn over. In here we have a stitch I show between these stitches. Take first stitch on your hook, make one double crochet around this stitch, add one chain, go to V stitch, insert your hook into this space, make one double crochet, two double crochet, three double crochet, four double crochet, five double crochet. Hold this yarn, insert your hook in top of this stitch, take yarn, make a popcorn stitch, add one chain, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make one double crochet around this stitch I show, make 1 2 3 chains, go to between these stitches, one single crochet, two single crochet, skip this stitch, go to these chains. In here we have two chains, one single crochet, two single crochet, go to top of these stitches, make one single crochet, two single crochet. In here 1 2, between these stitches make 1 2. In here in this way stitch, continue like this stitch, 1 2 3 chains, take this stitch, make 1 double crochet, add 1 chain, make popcorn stitch with 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook, take this yarn, add 1 chain, make 1 double crochet around this stitch, go to between this stitches, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in this stitch, 1, 2, go to top of this stitch, make 1, 2, go to here, 1, 2, between this stitch, 1, 2, make 3 chains, go to this V stitch and repeat like this stitch. Between this popcorn stitch we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 single crochet. We should make 10 single crochet between these stitches. Continue like this for this round. I made these stitches until here. In here I show we make 10 single crochet between these stitches. Between these stitches I show we have 10 single crochet in here. In first stitch we made 6 single crochet in this side. Continue like this and complete this 6 single crochet to 10 single crochet. After this stitch we make 1, 2, 3 chains, go to between these stitches, make 1, 2 single crochet. I show 1, 2 single crochet. After 2 single crochet in last stitch in here, in 2 chains, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. In total we have 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet in this side. In total 10 single crochet, same as this stitch. In here go to top of first single crochet, pull up yarn, slip stitch, row 21. In row 21 add 1 chain, go to top of this stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. We make 6 single crochet in this side. After this single crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go to these chains. We have 3 chains in here. Make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. In total we have 8 single crochet. Make 1, 2, 3 chains. After 3 chains, go to this chain. before this cluster in here. Insert your hook, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet. In this side, before this cluster stitch, go to next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet. I show same as this row. Continue. Yarn over, take this front post double crochet on your hook, make 1 double crochet around this stitch, take this stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, go to same stitch, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, go to before row stitch in here, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, and in this side reverse of this stitch, go to here, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, go to this stitch, 1, 2 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, go to first stitch, in top of first stitch, pull up yarn, slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, 2, 3, in next stitch, 4. We have 4 single crochet, 1, 2 chains, make a picot, pull up yarn, slip stitch, go to next stitch, make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, go to next stitch, slip stitch, in here, continue like this, make 1, 2, 3 chains, go to this chains, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and make 1 single crochet in this stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to this chains, make 1, 2. In total, in this side, we make 14 single crochet stitches. Make 1, 2, 3 chains, go to here, and repeat like these stitches. I show 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, in this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, in this stitch, 1 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, single crochet, 1 single crochet in this stitch, 2, 3, 4, go to this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, in next stitch, 1, 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, go to first stitch, slip stitch, add 1 chain, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 2 chains, make a picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, make a slip stitch, go to these chains and repeat like this side. In chains we make single crochet and repeat like this. I made this round. In here make 1, 2, 3 chains, go to these chains, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. In here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 complete with this single crochet stitch, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, same as this stitches. Go to top of first stitch, slip stitch,